If you have watched my video on Fair and White product, any Fair and White product, and you are considering getting the product, please, I need you to watch this video. I am making this video because I think that a lot of you watched that video and totally misunderstood how I said this particular product work. Now, I'm making this video because number one, I'm a very sincere person. Number two, the reason for my channel is actually to guide you rightly, not to lie to you, not to influence you to, believe some things that are not. I'm making this video because I've gotten, I don't want to say crazy messages, but a lot of you have come to my DM asking me, should I mix this and mix it? Should I mix this and mix it? Will you whiten my skin? And all of those things. I don't know how a lot of people picked up that video, but I just want to correct the notion that a lot of people got from that particular video. So I am going to be telling you in today's video not how to use this product. I'm not talking about how to use or how not to use. I am describing or telling you exactly how this product works on your skin, on different people's skin. Okay? I also want to note, I don't sell this product. I am not affiliated to Fair and White in any way. If you want to buy it, go and buy it by yourself. Do you understand? Now, Fair and White product is a product I love. First reason is because it is a safe product. It's a product that works. There are some products that you are going to buy, they are not going to work, depending on what you mean by a product did not work for. Because a lot of people say products did not work for them because they expect the product to do what the product cannot do. So it's not the product's fault, it's your fault. This is a brightening and moisturizing product. That's what it says. This product has the tendency to lighten up your skin. It has the tendency to whiten up your skin. I am going to explain that. Okay? This is the tube cream also that can be used on the face, that can be used as a spot treatment, that can be used, you can use it on your armpit, on your bum, your knuckles, like if you want to treat any pigmentation. As I said, I recommend Fair and White a lot because it is a brand that works without giving any side effect. I have not seen anybody genuinely using Fair and White. When I say genuinely, I know what I'm saying. Genuinely using Fair and White without the over expectation and have any bad thing to say about this product. The only people that have bad things to say are people that use it and expect miracle work, and it does not work like that. Or people that use it and start joining things inside of it and it starts giving you reaction. Not neglecting the fact that some people might get some skin reactions due to their skin types, because people's skins are different. A cream might be wonderful and you are going to use it. It's going to give you rashes, it's going to give you something just because your skin does not tolerate that product. It doesn't make it bad. Okay? Now, if you are a fair person, when I mean fair, I want you to know that there are different undertones. When you say fairness, a lot of people just throw out fairness and forget that there are undertones. You have yellow undertone, you have red undertone, you have brown undertone, you have white undertone. Now, because of the internet has so much so popularized white undertone. Everybody now wants to be white. Like, the messages I get are very crazy. I'm a bit angry making this video, but why will I be angry at you? Because you want to whiten your skin. You can do whatever you want to do with your skin. But sometimes it's crazy to me. You want to whiten your skin. So someone talks like, can I pour this one inside and pour this one inside? Will you whiten my skin? I don't understand. I never said Fair and White whitens the skin. I never said it. I never even said it's going to lighten you like unbelievably. No. All I said is, if you are looking for a product that is going to brighten out your skin, lighten out your skin, you can use Fair and White, and that is when you use it on the long run. When I make my videos, I'm very like, I articulate what I say because I know that I'm talking to different people and a lot of you take me for my word. Do you understand? This is not a bleaching product. If you are a dark skin person and you are looking to yellow your skin or white your skin, however you people say it, don't go and buy this Fair and White. You'll be wasting your money because it is not going to bleach your skin. Fair and White is not a bleaching product. It is a skin brightening and gentle lightening product. Now, let me explain how the skin lightening works. As I said, different people, different skin undertone. There are some people that have white undertone, and I'm going to tell you that even if they use Vaseline petroleum jelly, it is going to lighten up their skin. Like, it's going to brighten. You are going to see them, they are white. I know a child that has white undertone. Like, she is usually very fair. Now, the mother's problem is looking like getting a lotion that will not lighten her, let me say, whiten her excessively. To the extent that petroleum jelly, Vaseline, that you are going to rub a normal child, that child is going to be black. You're going to be running up and down and looking for a lighting or something to, brighten your child's skin. The mother resorted to using Vaseline morning and night. She got whiter. In fact, if she takes the child out when she was about 7 or 8 years old, people go, what are you using? What are you using? What are you using on her? She will just be laughing because this one is not by what I'm using. This is follow come. Do you understand? Now, if you have such skin, if you are white, if you have such, like, if you have that type of white undertone, if you use Fair and White, your skin is going to get whiter. I also have a client that said when she used Fair and White, that she became ashamed of going outside because she was too white. This is the same Fair and White that people are looking for things to pour inside so it will whiten them. Somebody used only it without oil, without serum, without soap, without anything. She wasn't even using it consistently. She just used it, it wasn't her, it was her sister's product. It whitened her skin. She could not go outside. She was shy that people would say, she's bleaching her skin. So these are things a lot of you don't understand when it comes to skin lightening, skin whitening. A lot of people fortunately have good skin. A lot of people you see on the internet fortunately have this skin you are seeing. It is not what they are using that is giving them the results. Creams majorly enhance what you have inside. Now, if you are yellow undertone, if you use this consistently, it is going to make you more yellow. Do you understand? If you have red undertone, that is people that usually fall under caramel skin tone, bright caramel skin tone, this is going to enhance your skin complexion. If you now use it for like years, it will really make your caramel really bright. Then you can actually comfortably say you are a fair skin person. That's you've used it for years. But please, this is not going to turn a dark skinned person, a naturally dark skinned person. Your mother is dark, your father is dark, your grandparents from both parents are dark skinned, and you want to use Fair and White to whiten your skin. How now? It will not work like that. And I believe I never said anything like that. So this is a very good product. The product, that video I made, I said if you have pigmentation, which was my case, I got so dark from the sun. Do you understand? I got so dark from the sun. Then I needed something to brighten up my skin. That is what Fair and White can do for you. You are a fair person, normal. Then maybe you neglected your skin due to some life-ins. And then when you now woke up and remembered yourself, you are looking for a good product to use and get back your fair skin complexion and enhance it. That is where Fair and White comes in. It can do that. And that was the basis where I really praised and hyped this product because it works like magic. If you are a fair skin person, you are a caramel skin person, and you got tanned, you got darkened by the sun, you got darkened maybe by environment or dust or something like that, If you buy fair and white combo, the way I explained it in that video, it is going to remove that darkness from your skin, bring back your original fair skin or caramel skin complexion. And if you use it for a longer period of time, it is going to now enhance that's your natural fairness. It's going to make it brighter. It's going to make it glow. Ejo. That is how fair and white works. Do you understand? That is how fair and white works. So people that use fair and white from that video, with the right expectations and with the right skin condition, they all came back and gave testimonies that their skin is now better in like a month or two. But those of you that use it and did not get results, you are a dark skinned person. Come to my house and fight me. I'm waiting for you. You are a dark skinned person. Shiki now, because you can't be fair skin and use fair and white and it will not brighten you. It's not even possible. It's not possible. If this did not work for you, you are a dark skinned person, and if you were fair before you started using this fair and white and it darkened you until you were bleaching your skin, you were using a lightening product. I'm not even being fair or watching my word. I just want to say it the way it is. If you are bleaching your skin, if you are lightening your skin, be proud of it and say it so we'll know where to help you from. It's not you say, oh, you are a fair person, no, and then you use fair and white and it darkened you. How? It's not possible. I don't even think even if you buy the fake stuff, it's going to darken you. It will not darken you. The highest thing fake can do to you is like maybe to start giving you reactions, or maybe you start noticing knuckles, things that are unusual with the product. But to say it will darken, because people that pirate product, they pirate itself to lighten you faster than the original product. So you will keep buying, you will not know. Do you understand? So please, this is a very good product that I trust, that I like, that I made a video about because I love the product. I love how it works. I've used fair and white for years. Like fair and white was one of the products I used to start out my skincare as a very young girl. I started using fair and white from when I was like 19, 20 or something like that. So it's a very good product, and they have remained consistent with their product if you get the genuine one. So this is to remove that over expectation that most of you got from that particular video, because maybe the way I said it, most of you thought I was saying, oh, if you are dark, it's going to make you fair. You are now thinking if you are naturally dark. No, that was not what I meant. I meant people that were tanned, and I'm very sure I explained it. I'm very sure I said it. If you are tanned, if you have hyperpigmentation, if the sun damaged your skin, buy this one. So, but a lot of you get it mixed up, because sometimes a lot of us are not truthful. A lot of people use lightening products in denial. Do you understand? So a lot of people are fair. It is because of cream that you are fair. So, but when you want to come out and talk, you say you are fair. You might be fair, but it's fake fairness, because if you stop that cream, you're going to get dark. So when someone asks you, you're talking to an expert that you need help from, please, when the person asks you, tell the person, I'm a dark person, I'm using cream to fair up. So the person will actually know where to help you from. Not saying you are fair, if you understand. So basically, I believe I've made my point clear. This is a brightening product that will brighten up pigmentation, that will brighten up sun tanning, that will give you back your original natural skin fairness, and also enhance it. If you see young girls that started out body like skincare with fair and white, if you see them in like 3 years time, like you feel like licking up their skin. I have a few. You feel like they've not tampered, it's not using, no, as they just grew up and wanted to take, they bought fair and white. If you see their skin, so smooth, so soft, like their complexion is highly enhanced. That is fair and white for you. It is not a bleaching product. If you are a dark skinned person, there are different variants for dark skinned people. If you want to bleach your skin, you want to turn from original dark skin to fair skin, this is not the product for you. You can buy it and mix some bleaching oils inside of it, use it as a base. That's another case on its own. Do you understand? So I hope I have made myself clear. Okay? Thank you.